వెల్కమ్ టు చందన మ్యాథ్స్ ఛానల్. స్టూడెంట్స్, ఈరోజు మనం మ్యాథ్స్ 1A ఎడిషన్ ఆఫ్ వెక్టర్స్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ అండ్ డెఫినేషన్స్ తెలుసుకోబోతున్నాం. స్కేలార్స్, ఏ క్వాంటిటీ విచ్ హ్యాస్ magnitude represented with a real number. Then such quantities are called scalars. Example: length, mass, volume, temperature, density, area, so on. These quantities are represented as scalars. Vectors, a quantity which have magnitude and direction, both magnitude and direction. Then such quantities are called vectors. Example: displacement, velocity, acceleration, force, weight, so on. These quantities are called vectors. Next one, directed line segment. If A and B are two distinct points in the space, then AB is called a directed line segment with the initial point capital A and terminal point capital B. A is called initial point, B is called terminal point. Therefore, magnitude of AB bar denoted by, this can be read as mod. Mod AB bar is equal to small a. So, a line segment with a specified magnitude and direction is called a vector. The directed line segment is a vector denoted by capital AB bar. Simply read as small a bar. This is the line segment. On this line segment, capital AB bar is the vector. The vectors PP bar, AA bar, BB bar are called zero vectors. Zero vector is denoted by this one, also called as null vector. Here, initial and terminal points are coincide. Initial and terminal points are coincide. Let a three-dimensional rectangular coordinate system, three-dimensional rectangular coordinate system, OX, OY, OZ, three-dimensional rectangular coordinate system OX, OY, OZ, and a point in the space having coordinates x, y, z with respect to origin. Then the vector OP bar is called position vector. Here O and P are called initial and terminal points. The magnitude of OP bar denoted by mod OP equal to, OP bar is represented with the R bar. Distance between O and P, root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So O equal to 0, 0, 0. P equal to x, y, z taken as x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, or this can be taken as x1, y1, z1. This can be taken as x2, y2, z2. So distance between O and P, root of x square plus y square plus z square is the magnitude of the position vector OP bar. థ్యాంక్ యూ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.